I'm Melanie Trailer, and I'm back for our topic this week, which is all about our Checkie Quilt Along, which starts on March 1. So if you haven't signed up for the Quilt Along yet, there's a link right below this video for you to do so. This is a 5-week quilt along. We're going to go through every step of making this quilt top together, and 4 of those weeks have giveaways. So we are digging into all the prizes and things like that. So I've already talked to you about the week 1 giveaway, which was the Shirley cabinet from Arrow Sewing. Week 2 giveaway is from Havel's. 5 winners will win 6-piece cutting sets. I haven't talked to you about week 3 yet, but today we're talking about week 4. And there'll be 3 winners on week 4, and it's long arming. So I've got 3 lovely lady long arm quilters who have generously offered to quilt quilts for us. So I recently had a quilt long armed. I haven't talked to you about that yet, but I'm going to really soon. But it was just, I don't normally get this done, so it was a big treat for me. And you get to go in there, you get to choose your design, and you talk back and forth with the long armor, let her help you with that. It was just, I really enjoyed the whole process. And then I'm so used to quilting them myself and it taking, a week or so. So it was just nice just to send it off in the mail and then, get it back done, ready to bind. Anyway, I thought that I would take you to each of these long armors' website and just kind of nose around a little bit and then just kind of give them a shout out and thank them for sponsoring this for us. It's so generous. They're sharing their time with us. So just really grateful. We're going to start with Brown Eyed Quilter. All right, so Brown Eyed Quilter's website is browneyedquilter.com. And I don't know if you have had your quilts long armed, but you just come to these little order forms and you just usually just fill out a form, and it kind of, they'll get in contact with you after you do. That's usually the process that I have found for almost all long armors. But if you come over here to sometimes it says Pantos, sometimes it says Patterns. You come over here, you can see all the designs they offer that they can long arm your quilt with. So we're going to be working on Checkie Quilt, and just to clarify, you do have to send a Checkie Quilt to get long arms. But look at all this pretty, oh, I like that. I haven't seen that one before. So, I mean, you get to really just kind of add another layer of creativity. That's what I think of quilting as, just another layer. I love this, of creativity to your quilt. And the good part about long armors is they do everything for you. No basting, no quilting, just move right in, right? All right, so that is Brown Eyed Quilter. Our next long arm sponsor is Autumn Moon Quilting. I've actually used Autumn Moon Quilting for one of my quilts, and she was amazing. She was just absolutely amazing. Same situation, you just fill out the form, but let's look at her design library. And then you can choose from all of these. So this is the one. I don't know if you can see it in this little video, but this right here. This is what I had that one done, and I just shrunk it down a little bit. I love this. That's kind of similar to mine, but a little bit different too. But I love going through their library of designs. I love that. Oh my goodness, look at that one. I actually know where Autumn Moon is. She is in Michigan. So if you are in the Michigan area, Katie's your girl. Our third sponsor is Everyday Modern Quilts. I'm actually new to Courtney. Same situation though. Quilt request form, you click the form, you fill it out. They tell you, how much they cost, of course, but also they tell you, how big to make your backing and your binding. So that's always nice to know. Let's see if we can find, designs. Here we go. Let's see what she has. Oh, that's pretty. So, I like this. Let's see. Nice. We haven't even gone to, you could just sit here and scroll for, oh, that's similar to mine too, but look at that between there. I love that. This is the one I did again. This is what I used for that quilt in the background. Oh, I like that one too. Sometimes there'll be similar designs, and then sometimes they'll have something different. So each of these long armors are also offering up a coupon code for quilting service. So even if you don't win the prize of long arm quilting, you can still use one of these 3 ladies to get your quilt quilted, and you'll get a discount when you do. All right, thanks for watching this video. Links to everything that I talked about, each of the long arm sponsors' websites, are right below this video. I've also went ahead and linked their Instagram because it's fun to watch them do what they do, and you know, you can just learn a little bit about them. Some things might matter to you, like where they are, where they're located, so it can be less charge of, you know, the shipping fee. So things like that. So I'm going to link all of that right below this video. Again, if you haven't signed up for this quilt along, do so. We're going to have such a great time together. We're going to work our way all the way through Checkie. We're going to talk about light and dark fabrics, contrast, low contrast, subtleties, all of that stuff. And I'm excited. I will see you next time.